Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of NFL app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to above and you can search about NFL. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking